Hello, this is Jeremy with US Fleet Tracking. Today's installation we'll be talking about an NT-V3, some of the tips on the wire harness and the antenna. It does have your main points for your power ignition and your ground. Make sure that you hook your antenna up to the device and then hide the device in the specific area that you're looking for. On the NT-V3, there's still a 3-wire basic hookup. Black is chassis ground or framework. White is ignition source. Red is battery constant. It is crucial to hook up the white wire. This will allow you to have 10-second updates in motion. On the other side of the harness, you'll notice all these other wires. We're really only going to look at 6 of them. The green wire is used as start or disable. The brown wire is used as horn honk. The yellow wire is used as unlock. We'll have blue wire as Panic PTO. This will allow you to hook up to a switch or light bar, depending on your preference. The orange, gray, and purple wires are also used as PTO, but they will be only in report form. Now some of the tools you may need for this installation: drill, flashlight, pry tools, wires, strippers, crimpers, pliers, screwdriver, pry tools, razor knife, test light. Make sure it's a computer safe test light and not a bulb test light. That way you don't do any damage to the vehicle, or power probe. Well, let's get to the install. Now that I've removed my interior panels on the bottom of the dash, we're going to install our NT-V3. This antenna placement will be higher in the dash than the device itself. That really does allow some versatility with the unit. You can put the unit and the wiring down low while mounting the antenna up high. Now, it's critical on the antenna itself. It does say this side up towards the sky. So this unit can be placed anywhere in the top of the dash as long as it's under any kind of plastic or ABS plastic, fiberglass such as that. You can put it behind the cluster or anywhere up in the A-pillar, or even mount it straight to the glass. Once you've found your location on that, you can run the wires down to the placement of the box, make the connections, and we're going to hook up everything such as unlock, start or disable, and horn, so the customer is happy with their install. Now let's get busy. If you have any questions about your install, just give the technical support hotline a call. They can walk you through any troubles that may have arisen. Other than that, have a good day.